Philosophers divide truths up into two camps. There are analytic truths, which are things that are true in every possible world. All triangles have three sides. And then there are synthetic truths, which are truths about this actual world. The sky is blue, Trump is president. Philosophers also divide up how we get to knowledge along two routes. A priori is where you don't need to go out into the world. You can just arrive at knowledge purely by thinking about it. So the truths of mathematics are like this, including all triangles have three sides. A posteriori knowledge is knowledge that you get by going out, looking at things, even doing experiments. So far, little mystery, but can there be a posteriori yet analytic truths? Are there things that have to be the case, and yet we need to do some work and go out and into the world to discover that? Saul Kripke argued that the statement, "the morning star is the evening star," is exactly one of those things. The morning star is Venus, the evening star is Venus, but this wasn't known for a long time. Yet the content of that expression, "the morning star is the evening star," is just saying Venus is equal to Venus. And that's got to be the case. It's got to be the case in all possible worlds, so it's analytic. Can there also be truths which are synthetic and yet a priori? That is, truths about this actual world, and yet we can know them by thought alone. Well, an obvious example is that I exist. I know this without having to go out and do any work. I know this from my armchair. But Immanuel Kant argued that we can know things about space and time and the structure of those entities without going out into the world. This is much more controversial. And he argued that it's part of our perceptual apparatus, the way that we're in contact with reality, that space and time are just built into that. And so we don't actually need to get up from the armchair. We can know synthetic, a priori things. Others have challenged the whole analytic-synthetic distinction. Quine would argue that the fact that triangles have three sides fits into our larger web of beliefs, and even that could be revised someday. As with many things in philosophy, the debate and controversy continues.